Hello dear students, my name is Lucky Ahuja and I am your EVS teacher. So students, we were learning our chapter 5, let's play games, and today we are starting part 3 of this chapter, and this part is named as Yogasana. In the Ashtanga Yoga of Rishi Patanjali, there is an assimilation of Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharan, Dhyan and Samadhi. So we started talking about yoga in our previous class, and we talked about a yogasana named Surya Namaskar, and today we are continuing talking things about yoga. So students, in the Ashtanga Yoga of Rishi Patanjali, you need to remember this name, Rishi Patanjali, who is the founder of Ashtanga Yoga. There are 8 things which are assimilated. What are these 8 things? So you can see it here: Yam, Niyam, then Asan, Pranayam, Pratyahar, then Dharan, Dhyan and Samadhi. These 8 are the parts of Ashtanga Yoga of Rishi Patanjali. Meditation is very important for an overall development of the students. So here Dhyan, Dharan, these things are related to meditation, and you need to know that meditation is quite important for an overall development of the students. It is also very important for increasing the concentration abilities of students. Let's move ahead. Now we are going to see some famous asanas or yogasanas, and which are actually helpful for maintenance of your physical and mental well-being. So here the first asana is Tadasana. So you can see the posture, and you have to try to do these asanas in the guidance of your elders at your home. So here in Tadasana, the person is actually standing on the toes. You can see the heels are upside and the hands are also kept upside. So this asana is very helpful for children. Actually, it helps in increasing the height of children. All of you must be wanting to grow very earlier, so this asana is helpful for that. It actually helps in early increase of your height. Then the second one is Padmasana. You can see this asana that the boy here is sitting, keeping the legs in this manner, and the boy is making a specific position which is called Padmasana. This Padmasana is also quite helpful for flexibility of your legs and also for increasing the concentration abilities. Then the next asana here is Pavan Muktasana. So you can see the position. The girl is holding the legs through hands, and you can also try this Pavan Muktasana at your home in the guidance of your parents or elders. And this asana named Pavan Muktasana is actually quite good for improving the digestive function of our body. This leads to the development of an art of living and develops a positive approach towards life. So this is the importance of yoga, that it leads to the development of an art of living and develops a positive approach towards life. And the next thing is, it is also helpful in physical, mental, intellectual and spiritual development. So yoga actually helps you in physical, mental, intellectual and spiritual development. तो बच्चों, यहाँ हमने कुछ योगासन देखे. हमने ताड़ासन को देखा, पद्मासन और पवन मुक्तासन. ये तीनों ही आसन बहुत फ़ायदेमंद होते हैं आपको. जो शारीरिक आपकी जो भी समस्याएं हैं, उनमें कई सारी समस्याएं नहीं होती अगर आप इस तरीके के आसनों को करते रहते हैं. तो यहाँ आपको साथ ही ये भी जानना है कि योगा जो है ये हमें एक सकारात्मकता लेके आता है. हमारी जो जीवन जीने की शैली है, जो कला है, उसमें एक बहुत ही सकारात्मक परिवर्तन देखने को मिलता है अगर हम योगा करना शुरू करते हैं. और उसके अलावा जो योगा है ये हमारे शारीरिक, हमारे मानसिक, बौद्धिक और आध्यात्मिक विकास के लिए भी सहायक होता है. तो बच्चों, आप अभी इस सबके बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं जानते हैं, पर आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि आपको भी योगा करना चाहिए और योगा वास्तव में आपकी संपूर्ण शारीरिक और मानसिक जो समस्याएं हैं उनको आपके आसपास आने भी नहीं देगा और आपको बहुत ही स्वस्थ रखने में मदद करेगा. लेट्स मूव अहेड. स्वामी विवेकानंद said first youth should be made strong. So you must know about the name of Swami Vivekanand. So he said that first youth should be made strong. हमें पहले हमारे जो भावी यूथ हैं, युवा हैं, उनको मजबूत बनाना होगा और उनको मजबूत बनाने के लिए आपको ध्यान रखना है कि गेम्स और योगा यानी खेल और योगा दोनों ही बहुत महत्व रखते हैं. Along with entertainment, games and yoga keep our body in shape and make it slender, healthy and beautiful. So you need to remember this thing, students, that besides entertainment, these games and yoga keep our body in shape and make it slender, healthy and beautiful. And who do not want to look beautiful and slender? So this is the thing you need to remember, that by doing yogic things, yogasanas, you can make your body slender and beautiful. Due to the efforts of the government of India, lakhs of people in different countries did yoga on June 21, 2015 and celebrated the Yoga Day. So you need to remember this thing, students, that due to efforts of our government, that is Government of India, lakhs of people in different countries did yoga on 21st of June 2015 and this day was declared as International Yoga Day due to efforts of Government of India. So we should be thankful for that to our government, that due to their efforts this day is now celebrated internationally. Nowadays many people from different foreign countries have started learning yoga in our country. So this is also important, that many foreign people come to our country to learn yoga. They just come in our country, India, to learn yoga. The United Nations has declared June 21 as the International Yoga Day. So you need to remember this fact, that United Nations has declared June 21 as the International Yoga Day. तो बच्चों यहाँ हम देख रहे हैं कि 21 जून 2015 को हमारे देश की जो सरकार है उसके प्रयासों के कारण कई अलग अलग देशों में योगा एक साथ किया गया और इसी कारण उस दिन को यूनाइटेड नेशंस ने 21 जून को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस घोषित किया है और ये अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस 2015 से लगातार मनाया जाता जा रहा है. और आपको साथ ही ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि योगा की प्रसिद्धि बढ़ने के कारण ही आज हमारे देश में बाहर के देशों से, कई अलग अलग देशों से बहुत सारे लोग योगा सीखने के लिए आते हैं. So here we are talking about the importance of games in our life. Along with entertainment, games make us healthy and beautiful. So this thing we learnt already, that besides entertainment, games makes us healthy and beautiful. Along with physical and intellectual development, games makes us disciplined. So this is also a contribution of games, that besides physical and intellectual development, they also make us disciplined. We learn discipline when we play different kind of games, encouraging a feeling of cooperation, companionship. Games increase excitement and enthusiasm. Games teach us victory, belief, struggle and make our life beautiful. So these are various things which we learn through games. So they make us healthy and beautiful. They contribute in physical development of our body. They contribute in mental strengthening of our body, and they also make us disciplined. आपको ध्यान रखना है बच्चों कि खेलों से हमें बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदे होते हैं। आपके शारीरिक वृद्धि विकास में तो ये सहायक होते ही हैं, साथ के साथ खेल खेलने के दौरान आपको आनंद भी आता है। इसके अलावा ये किसी भी व्यक्ति को डिसिप्लिन बनाते हैं, पंक्चुअल बनाते हैं। उसके अलावा हम सब में जब हम टीम में कोई खेल खेलते हैं, एक जो टीम की जो भावना है, जो स्पिरिट है, वो हमें दूसरों के प्रति जो साथ देने का भाव है वो जगाती है। हम दूसरों के लिए अपने आप का सेक्रीफाइस करना सीखते हैं। कई बार हम खेलों के द्वारा ही दूसरों के लिए यानी अपने टीम के साथियों के लिए बलिदान करना सीखते हैं। ये हमें एंथुसियाज्म बढ़ाता है, हमारे अंदर एक ऊर्जा का प्रभाव भी करता है। और उसके अलावा खेल ही हमें जीत का एहसास कराते हैं, यही हमें अपने प्रति विश्वास जगाते हैं और यही हमें संघर्ष करना भी सिखाते हैं। तो है ना खेल बहुत ही शानदार। तो बच्चों आप भी खेल खेलते रहिए और इसी प्रकार अपने आप को खेलों के जो फ़ायदे हैं वो दिलाते रहिए। So dear students, it was about the importance of games and we will be continuing this chapter in our next part. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.